In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add accountants to your QuickBooks Online. Giving your accountant secure access to your books is the fastest way to streamline reconciliations, close your month, and get reliable advice without constant file exchanges. I'll walk you through the exact clicks in QuickBooks Online, and I'll add helpful context so you know what to expect at each step. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online company. Look toward the upper right corner of your screen for the small gear icon, also known as the settings icon. Click it to open your company and user settings. This is your central hub for managing access, preferences, and connected services. In the menu that appears, select Manage Users. This takes you to the area where you control who can get into your books and what they can do. You'll notice regular users listed here, but we're going to a special place designed just for accountants. Next, choose the Accounting Firms tab. This section is different from regular user management because Accountant Access is tailored for professional workflows. It gives your accounting partner the tools they need without you having to micromanage permissions. Click Invite Firm. You're about to send a secure invitation that lets your accountant connect to your company from their own QuickBooks Accountant dashboard. If you see an option labeled Enter my accountant's email, select it to proceed with a manual invite, which is perfect when you already know exactly who should receive access. Now fill in the details. Enter the accountant's first name, then the last name, and then their email address. Use a business email your accountant actively monitors to ensure the invite arrives quickly. Double check for typos. This is a common reason invites go missing or fail to connect to the right firm. When everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will send the invitation right away. Your accountant will receive an email with a secure link to connect to your company. Once they accept, they'll have the accountant tools they need to help you, and you'll see their firm listed in this Accounting Firms area. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the Accounting Firms tab or can't click Invite Firm, you may need company admin permissions, so reach out to your primary admin. If the accountant can't find the invite, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder and confirm the email address you entered. And remember, you remain in control. If you ever need to remove access, you can return to the same page to manage their connection. That's it. You've successfully invited your accountant to QuickBooks Online and set the stage for smoother collaboration and cleaner books.